Hi there, Sanity Seekers. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm making a skull-themed cloche with a spooky artwork inside. I'll start with a hurricane lamp candle holder that I bought from an op shop, upside down, with one of these little baking pan thingamajigs on top, also from the op shop. I'll hold it all together with foam clay, otherwise known as cartoon clay, which I'll use to cover the area that I want to cover and fill in any gaps. I'll wet it with a paintbrush to make it sticky so the beads and embellishments adhere beautifully. I'm using broken and old jewelry to decorate all around the top by pushing it into the clay and gluing where needed. I'm decorating around the top with these cute tiny skulls adhering with both the clay and glue to make sure that they stay on. I decided to use up random beads in the bottom of my treasure bag by laying glue in a line around the center and dropping the beads into it. Once dry, I painted it all black with acrylic paint and dabbing off the excess here and there to let vague colours come through and the details show through more as well. Once that is dry, I'll dry brush this metallic paint over the top to bring up even more detail. And since it's so satisfying to watch, I'll basically show you the whole thing in fast forward. My daughter bought me this awesome 3D printed ghost lady with sexy figure to use in my artwork. It was stark white, so I blended it into the piece more by using the same metallic paint to give it its shadows. I've had this pretty brass bowl since forever and decided to use this as the base. I then dug out some fake coral to use as thorny vines, which I tied, bent and fussed over to get them to swirl and surround our ghostly diva. I painted them with the same metallic paint to blend them in, glued butterflies everywhere, and created spider webs with the tacky craft glue by gently pulling strands between the branches and vines. Some dark moss at her feet, and she's ready to be housed in her skull-themed cloche. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments what her name should be. Thanks for hanging out with me. That is me for now, my friends. Please stay kind, creative, and as sane as possible. Bye.